Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninja. So in this video I am going to discuss about CSS Tooltip. A tooltip is used to provide interactive textual hints that gives the user an idea about the element when mouse pointer moves over. By using tooltip, you can display the position of the tooltip information in four ways: top of the element, left side of the element, right side of the element, bottom of the element. Tooltip can be positioned at any degree. So we can take one example of the tooltip. Open the Sublime text editor. Here we make the class tooltip. In between that we use different properties like position. We can set the value relative, which is needed to position the tooltip text. Next we add the another property, that is display. We can set this value by inline block, and next we add another property, that is border radius 1px. Solid is the style of the border and olive is a color. Next we make the another class of this inherit class tooltip. We make another class, that is tooltip text. In between that we use the visibility property hidden. Next we use the width property, value is 100px. Next we set the background color, that is olive, and next we add the color white. All these properties are used for showing the tooltip. Next we add the text align property, value is center. Next we use the border radius property. We can set 8px radius. You can also set the padding like 5px and 0. Next we set the position of the tooltip, position absolute. Next we use the another property z index, that is 1. Next we make the class. We use the class tooltip. While hover, tooltip text class uses. Here we set the visibility visible. While hover, we use this visibility property for visible the tooltip on mouse hover. In body section we use the h1 tag, CSS Tooltip, close this. Next we make the div. Here we use the class tooltip and add some content. Here we use the span tag for inline elements. So here we use the class tooltip text and add some content. Tooltip text, close this span tag, and last we close this div tag. Then body, close the body tag, last we close the HTML tag. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. On mouse over, the tooltip shows like this. You can also set the position of the tooltip. So open the code and set the another properties. First we set the top tooltip. We can set the position at the top. So we can add here different properties. First we use the bottom, value is 100%, and next we set the left to 50%, and next we set the margin left property, value is -60 px. Save this code and see the result on the browser window. That shows the tooltip on the top of the text. This shows on the top tooltip. And next we set the another position, that is bottom tooltip. So we can change these properties by using top to 100% and next left to 50%, and next we use the margin left property to 60%, -60%. Save this file. That shows the bottom tooltip. Tooltip shows on the bottom. Next we set the tooltip on left side. So we change these properties by using top -5 px, and next right 105%. Save this code, and this shows the left side of the tooltip. And next we can change this position by right side. So change this code by using top minus 5px and left 105%. Save this code and see the result. That shows the tooltip on the right side. So thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching and happy learning.